Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Adit Haikal. Here I want to present my PPT with the theme of malicious program and hardware. Okay, I will explain the previous malicious program selection. Here are four cores of malicious program, namely one, what is malicious program? Two, types of malicious program. Three, the impact of malicious program on the system. Four, solution for preventing and dealing with malicious program attack. Okay. Okay, here I will explain the first part first, namely what is a malicious program. Okay. Malicious program is a malicious software or malicious code that is created to damage, interfere with, infiltrate, or even take data from a computer or network. Secretly, without the owner permission, yes, it is very detrimental or other people, right? Yes, this technology usually uses pirated software or USB tools. Bro, what if there is a problem and tell me the solution too? Okay, I will tell you the problem and the solution. Right? Alright, problem, our computer will be infected with a virus. Solution, yes, if you get a virus like that, just run the virus protection and update the security software regularly. Okay, next I will explain the second part, namely type of malicious program. Type of malicious program. Alright, gentlemen, it seems there is a considerable number of different types of malware. Malicious programs are divided into eight classes: virus, worms, Trojan horse, spyware, adware, ransomware, rootkits, and keyloggers. Okay, bro. What if there is problem and tell me the solution too? Okay, I will tell you the problem and the solution. Right? Problem when your computer or other device is infected with many types of virus from malicious program. Solution: don't panic. First, and don't pay the trade money, just back up your important data. Don't open suspicious email or attachment. Okay? Okay, let's move on to discussion number three. Namely, is the impact of malicious program on the system. The impact of malicious program is quite severe and can also result in losses, such as losing our personal data or even experiencing system damage. Okay, okay, and I will also tell you the problem and the solution too. Like, okay, this problem is these are also quite high. There are six types of risks that can affect our computer. One, theft of personal data, system damage, terus decreased performance, decreased performance, loss of access, spread of malware, your computer will become part of a bonnet. Solution: don't worry, friends. There are only 7 cases. First of all, we have to use antivirus backup data regularly, update the system continuously, don't click on unknown people, use a firewall, don't use pirated copies, and all about it. Okay. Now we move on to discussion number four. Number four, namely, is solution for preventing and dealing with malicious program attack. So the answer is simply to disconnect internet connection, perform a full scan with the antivirus, run safe mode, use specializes malware, cleaning software, restore from a backup, and if that still does work, take it to the cybersecurity service team. Now we will move on to the second material, namely hardware. Here I will present the core content of this hardware. Okay. Uh, One, explain what hardware is. Two, outlining the different kinds and uses of hardware. Three, explain the function of hardware in a computer system. Now I will eliminate this part number one, which is explain what hardware is. So the answer is simply to disconnect the internet connection, perform a full scan with the antivirus, run safe mode, use specialist malware, cleaning software, install from a backup, and hardware is computer hardware used for input, processing, output, and through operation. Is crucial component of a computer system that cooperates with software to enable the best possible use of the machine. The machine, if that still does the work, take it to the cybersecurity service team. Okay, let's discuss part two, namely is outlining the different kinds and uses of hardware. One, input device hardware for inputting command or data into a computer. Two, processing device, the part in chair, charger, and the charger of converting input data into output. Number three, output device, hardware that show users the outcomes of data processing. Four, stroke device, a temporary or uh, a temporary or permanent data stroke device. Five, peripheral device, extra gadget for specialist text or system assistant. Now we come to the final part, namely is explain the function of hardware in a computer system. A computer hardware is crucial to its operation. Software can software cannot operate and the computer cannot be used without hardware. Okay, now here I present my PPT about malicious program and hardware. Bye bye.